Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we will be doing a quick tutorial using our Silhouette Studio. I'm using Designer Edition, but this should work for any edition. As you can see, I've typed out some words and I'm going to make this a logo. These are the colors that I wanted to use, but I don't have these in Silhouette. And I'm probably going to use them often, so I want to save these colors as custom colors so that they're always available and I don't have to go and look up the color number to make that color. So what you want to do is, if this is just an image like I grabbed off of Google, you'll want to make a couple of squares, circles, whatever, doesn't matter, and select on one and then go to your color palette and get the eyedropper and click on that and then do the same thing for the other one. Now you have those colors. Now it'd be easy to just click on it and make it that color, but I want to save this for future so that it's always on my computer, it's always in my program, and I'll always have it forever. So what you'll do is you'll go to the paint palette and open panel, and you'll click this paint palette down here, and you can name this anything you want. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and name it, and then you'll hit the plus sign. Now you'll want to make the colors, so you'll do that by clicking the color you want and you'll hit the plus sign, and then you'll just repeat that for every color that is in that logo or whatever. Now those colors will be saved under that one, and if you hover over the paint palette you can see the name Erin MUE. So those will be there until you delete it. Now if you wanted to delete the palette, you would hover over that paint palette again and hit right click and then delete, and it will be gone. You'll also be able to find these colors right away in your quick up here at the top, down here in the bottom. It'll have every custom palette that you've made, and then you would just click on it and click on the color and it will change it right for you. Alright guys, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. That always helps me out and I appreciate it when you do. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. If there is a video you want to see, let me know down in the comments. Also, I will add it to my list of videos that you guys want to watch. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!